missed him.
Are they okay?
They're crying because of the sound. They're scared. Did you see how it looked like it was smoke on the top? That's
The car here, car to airport here. Austin. Those are the fighters. So, what are those people?
Guy says it thinks about 9 o'clock. I asked one of the firemen.
About 9? So you have a special place to go to, Tom? That's Maddie in her car. And this is Phil. Look! People checking the runway now because it's almost near.
You did for real?
Behind the wire, and you have men in black all the way down there.
He said he's gonna try to do like a 5 to 10 minute show.
Really?
You did? Yeah, you did.
Somebody knows something.
What?
Spirit Airlines. They are? Yep. They're separating down there. I got him, Alex. Here comes the second one. Whoa!
That's too loud.
Oh my God.
How did they make it like square? Oh God, this is killing my ears. Oh my God!
you can't even hear. You probably won't even hear it on there. It's loud.
I want to catch the second one. Where is it? All right, here he comes. That thing is intimidating, boy. Oh man, I missed him.
Are they okay?
They're crying because of the sound. They're scared. Did you see how it looked like it was smoke on the top? That's because